The only way to stop fear and not feed it is to not fight it. Truly accept it and make peace with it and maintain that peaceful coexistence with it until peace with it is all you know with it. Not fight it, not resist it or its existence in general, overall, consistently until change has occurred. Not accepting peace with existence makes it so you're not able to fully receive reality in its fullest form, which is a disservice to all existence and not with any negative stigma attached. Just the truth of it. Don't you, or wouldn't you rather, receive to the fullest in every situation to receive the maximum benefits of that or any situation? Thank you, thank you, thank you. And so it is, and so it is, and so it is. Thank you.